Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to talk about how to replace a plumbing stop and pressure fitting for your PVC. It's a good idea to know how to replace these things, that way if they ever wear out or you have something that goes wrong with your plumbing, you know how to get in there and fix it. For this job, we'll be using a pipe wrench and a pair of vice grips, a shuttle valve or water stop, some plumber's tape, and a compression joint. PVC is very fragile, so you want to be very careful when you're removing this, that way you don't damage the pipe. What I do is I take a pair of vice grips and I go ahead and I clamp down onto my pipe. Then I'll use my pipe wrench to go ahead and remove it. After you get it loose, you go ahead and use your fingers to remove it. Now when installing a new one, you want to take some plumber's tape and wrap your threads the same way that you're going to be putting on the new water stop. Go around about 3 or 4 times. Then you'll take your new water stop and begin to thread it into place. After you have it hand tight, you'll again take your vice grips, clamp down on your pipe, grab your wrench, and tighten it up. You want to make sure you don't go too tight on this because this could damage the plastic threading. Next, I'll be installing a pressure fitting. For this, we have 2 nuts that go onto the middle of the pipe and 2 washers with a union in the middle. So the first thing we'll do is put our threaded nuts on, and then go ahead and take the washers and place them over the pipe. Then we'll go ahead and do the same thing on our other pipe. After that's done, we're going to place them inside the union and thread them together. One reason it's a good idea to put one of these in is if you're cutting into a line that already exists and it has moisture in it, the cleaner and the glue will not work properly with the moisture that gets into it and mixes with that. So if you're cutting into a line that's already existing, it's a good idea to go ahead and put a pressure feed in there instead of one that is glued. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.